Welcome. Today we're diving into the world of IT service management, or ITSM. Whether you're part of a growing business or a large enterprise, ITSM is essential for delivering quality IT services that align with your organization's needs. In this video, we'll explore proven strategies and the best tools to help you implement ITSM effectively. We'll start by understanding what ITSM is, why it matters, and how it can transform your IT operation. Let's begin our journey by laying the foundation for successful IT service management. IT service management, or ITSM, refers to the processes and activities that design, deliver, manage, and improve IT services within an organization. It's not just about fixing technical issues, it's about creating value for customers and ensuring IT supports business goals. By focusing on structured processes, ITSM helps organizations provide consistent, reliable, and efficient IT services. Understanding this core concept is the first step toward building a robust ITSM framework. Implementing ITSM brings numerous benefits to organizations. It streamlines IT processes, reduces downtime, and improves service quality. With ITSM, teams can respond faster to incidents, manage changes more effectively, and ensure compliance with industry standards. Ultimately, ITSM helps bridge the gap between IT and business, enabling organizations to achieve their strategic objectives while delivering a better experience for users and customers. Several core processes form the backbone of ITSM. These include incident management, problem management, change management, and service request fulfillment. Each process plays a unique role in ensuring IT services run smoothly. For example, incident management focuses on restoring normal service as quickly as possible, while change management ensures that updates and modifications are implemented with minimal risk. Understanding these processes is crucial for effective ITSM implementation. Incident management is all about quickly addressing and resolving IT issues that disrupt normal operations. The goal is to restore service as soon as possible and minimize the impact on business activities. This process involves logging incidents, prioritizing them based on urgency, and assigning them to the right teams for resolution. Effective incident management leads to higher user satisfaction and less downtime. While incident management deals with immediate issues, problem management focuses on identifying and addressing the root causes of recurring incidents. By analyzing trends and patterns, IT teams can prevent future disruptions and improve overall service reliability. This proactive approach not only reduces the number of incidents but also enhances the stability of IT services. Change management is a critical ITSM process that ensures updates, upgrades, and modifications to IT systems are carried out smoothly and with minimal risk. This process involves planning, reviewing, and approving changes before implementation. By following a structured approach, organizations can avoid unnecessary disruptions and maintain service continuity, even during major transitions. Service request fulfillment deals with handling user requests for information access or standard services. This process ensures that requests are logged, tracked, and resolved efficiently. By streamlining service requests, teams can improve user satisfaction and free up resources to focus on more complex issues. Efficient request fulfillment is a key component of a responsive ITSM strategy. Configuration management involves maintaining an accurate record of all IT assets and their relationships. This process helps organizations understand how different components interact and ensures that changes are made with full awareness of their impact. Effective configuration management reduces errors, speeds up troubleshooting, and supports better decision-making. Release management ensures that new software, updates, and features are delivered to users in a controlled and predictable manner. This process involves planning, testing, and deploying releases while minimizing risks and disruptions. By following best practices in release management, organizations can deliver value to users faster and with greater reliability. Service level management is about defining, agreeing on, and monitoring the quality of IT services provided to users. This process involves setting clear expectations through service level agreements (SLAs) and ensuring that performance meets or exceeds these standards. Effective service level management builds trust between it and the business, fostering a culture of accountability and continuous improvement. Several frameworks guide ITSM implementation, with ITIL Information Technology Infrastructure Library being the most widely adopted. Other frameworks include COBIT, ISO IEC 20000, and MOF. Each framework offers best practices and guidelines to help organizations structure their ITSM processes. Choosing the right framework depends on your organization's goals, size, and industry requirements. TIL is the most popular ITSM framework, providing a comprehensive set of best practices for managing IT services. It covers the entire service lifecycle, from strategy and design to transition, operation, and continual improvement. By adopting ITIL, organizations can standardize processes, improve efficiency, and deliver better value to customers. COBIT focuses on IT governance and control, helping organizations align it with business objectives. ISO IEC 20000 is an international standard for IT service management, providing requirements for establishing, implementing, and improving an ITSM system. Both frameworks complement ITIL and can be integrated to strengthen your ITSM strategy. For implementing ITSM, it's important to assess your organization's current IT processes, tools, and capabilities. This assessment helps identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. By understanding where you stand, you can set realistic goals and develop a tailored ITSM implementation plan that addresses your unique needs. Clear, measurable goals are essential for successful ITSM implementation. These goals should align with your organization's strategic objectives and address specific pain points. Examples include reducing incident resolution times, improving user satisfaction, or increasing compliance. Well-defined goals provide direction and help track progress throughout the ITSM journey. A successful ITSM implementation requires a dedicated team with the right mix of skills and experience. This team should include IT professionals, process owners, and business stakeholders. Collaboration and clear communication are key to driving change and ensuring everyone is aligned with the ITSM vision. Choosing the right ITSM tools is crucial for automating processes, tracking performance, and enabling collaboration. Popular ITSM tools include ServiceNow, BMC Remedy, Jira Service Management, and Freshservice. When selecting a tool, consider factors like scalability, integration capabilities, user experience, and cost. The right tool can make a significant difference in your ITSM success. ServiceNow is a leading ITSM platform known for its robust features and scalability. It offers modules for incident, problem, change, and asset management, along with powerful automation and analytics capabilities. ServiceNow's user-friendly interface and integration options make it a popular choice for organizations of all sizes. EMC Remedy is another widely used ITSM tool, offering comprehensive modules for service desk, asset management, and workflow automation. Its flexibility and customization options allow organizations to tailor the platform to their unique needs. BMC Remedy supports ITIL best practices and helps organizations improve service delivery and efficiency. Jira Service Management, developed by Atlassian, is known for its agile approach and seamless integration with development tools. It's ideal for organizations looking to bridge the gap between IT operations and software development. Jira Service Management offers features for incident, change, and problem management, making it a versatile choice for modern IT teams. Freshservice is a cloud-based ITSM tool designed for simplicity and ease of use. It offers modules for incident, problem, change, and asset management, along with automation and reporting features. Freshservice is particularly popular among small and medium-sized businesses seeking a user-friendly and cost-effective ITSM solution. Modern ITSM tools offer integration capabilities that connect with other business systems, such as HR, finance, and monitoring tools. These integrations streamline workflows, improve data accuracy, and provide a holistic view of IT operations. When choosing an ITSM tool, consider its ability to integrate seamlessly with your existing technology stack. Automation is a game-changer in ITSM, enabling organizations to handle repetitive tasks, reduce manual errors, and accelerate service delivery. Automated workflows can manage incident routing, approvals, notifications, and more. By leveraging automation, teams can focus on strategic initiatives and deliver faster, more consistent services. Self-service portals empower users to resolve common issues, submit requests, and access knowledge articles without IT intervention. These portals improve user satisfaction, reduce service desk workload, and speed up issue resolution. Implementing an intuitive self-service portal is a key strategy for modern ITSM. Knowledge management involves capturing, organizing, and sharing information to help users and IT staff solve problems efficiently. A well-maintained knowledge base reduces the number of repetitive queries and enables faster issue resolution. Investing in knowledge management is essential for building a self-sufficient ITSM environment. Reporting and analytics are vital for monitoring ITSM performance and identifying areas for improvement. Modern ITSM tools provide dashboards, metrics, and customizable reports that help track key performance indicators. By leveraging data-driven insights, organizations can make informed decisions and continuously enhance their IT services. Effective communication is crucial when implementing changes in ITSM. Keeping stakeholders informed about upcoming changes, potential impacts, and timelines helps build trust and reduces resistance. Clear communication ensures everyone is prepared and aligned, making transitions smoother and more successful. Training is essential for ensuring that IT staff and end users are comfortable with new ITSM processes and tools. Comprehensive training programs, combined with ongoing support, drive adoption and maximize the benefits of ITSM. Investing in training helps reduce errors and accelerates the transition to new ways of working. ITSM is not a one-time project, it's an ongoing journey of continuous improvement. Regularly reviewing processes, gathering feedback, and implementing enhancements ensure that IT services evolve to meet changing business needs. A culture of continuous improvement keeps your ITSM strategy relevant and effective. Gauge the effectiveness of your ITSM implementation. It's important to measure success using key performance indicators, KPIs such as incident resolution time, user satisfaction, and service availability. Regularly tracking these metrics helps identify areas for improvement and demonstrates the value of ITSM to stakeholders. Change can be challenging, and resistance is natural when introducing new ITSM processes and tools. Addressing concerns, involving stakeholders early, and communicating benefits are key strategies for overcoming resistance. By fostering a positive attitude toward change, organizations can ensure smoother ITSM adoption. Risk management is an integral part of ITSM implementation. Identifying potential risks, assessing their impact, and developing mitigation plans help prevent disruptions and ensure business continuity. Proactive risk management builds resilience and protects your organization from unexpected challenges. Compliance with industry standards and regulations is critical for ITSM. Implementing processes that meet requirements such as GDPR, HIPAA, or ISO standards helps avoid legal issues and builds trust with customers. Regular audits and documentation ensure ongoing compliance and demonstrate your commitment to best practices. As your organization grows, your ITSM processes and tools must scale accordingly. This involves adapting workflows, expanding automation, and integrating new technologies. Scalable ITSM ensures that your IT services remain efficient and effective, no matter how large or complex your organization becomes. Cloud-based ITSM solutions offer flexibility, scalability, and cost savings compared to traditional on-premises systems. They enable remote access, automatic updates, and seamless integration with other cloud services. Embracing cloud-based ITSM can accelerate your digital transformation and support a modern, agile IT environment. Mobile ITSM tools empower IT staff to manage incidents, changes, and requests on the go. With mobile apps, teams can respond faster, stay connected, and resolve issues from anywhere. Mobile capabilities are especially valuable for organizations with distributed teams or remote workforces. Positive user experience is at the heart of successful ITSM. Designing intuitive interfaces, simplifying processes, and providing timely support all contribute to higher user satisfaction. Prioritizing user experience ensures that IT services are accessible, efficient, and valued by everyone in the organization. Establishing feedback loops allows organizations to gather input from users and IT staff, identify pain points, and implement improvements. Regular surveys, suggestion boxes, and review meetings foster open communication and drive continuous enhancement of ITSM processes. Managing relationships with IT vendors is an important aspect of ITSM. This includes evaluating vendor performance, negotiating contracts, and ensuring that third-party services meet your organization's standards. Effective vendor management supports service quality and reduces risks associated with external providers. Cost management is essential for maximizing the value of ITSM investments. Tracking expenses, optimizing resource allocation, and identifying cost-saving opportunities help organizations stay within budget while delivering high-quality IT services. Transparent cost management builds trust with stakeholders and supports long-term sustainability. Security is a top priority in ITSM. Implementing robust security measures such as access controls, encryption, and regular audits protects sensitive data and ensures compliance. Security-focused ITSM processes help prevent breaches and safeguard your organization's reputation. Disaster recovery planning is an essential part of ITSM. Preparing for unexpected events such as system failures or cyberattacks ensures that IT services can be restored quickly. A solid disaster recovery plan minimizes downtime, protects data, and maintains business continuity during crises. Let's look at a real-world example of ITSM success. A global company implemented ITIL-based processes and adopted ServiceNow as their ITSM platform. By standardizing workflows, automating routine tasks, and focusing on user experience, they reduced incident resolution times by 40% and improved user satisfaction scores. This case demonstrates the tangible benefits of a well-executed ITSM strategy. Summary: implementing IT service management requires a strategic approach, the right tools, and ongoing commitment to improvement. By following best practices, leveraging modern ITSM platforms, and fostering a culture of collaboration, your organization can deliver exceptional IT services that drive business success. Start by assessing your current state, setting clear goals, and building a dedicated team. With the right strategies and tools, ITSM can become a powerful enabler of growth and innovation.